Welcome to this segment of Roofing It Right with Dave and
That would be me, Wally.
Wally. What we're going to do now is put on a pipe boot, and tell us about the pipe boot, Wally.
So we have a peel and stick pipe boot here,
Right.
rather than our traditional heat welded pipe boot.
Right.
The advantage of this is, maybe for repairs. Repair
Yeah,
guy,
I can see that on repairs. Absolutely, yeah.
or maybe a guy is just getting into the welded aspect and doesn't really have the equipment or the know-how. This might, help bridge that gap to get him used to doing single ply material. So first of all, again, any of our systems, what do we got to have around any penetration, Dave?
Base attachment, minimum of 4.
Doesn't matter the size of the pipe.
Nope.
Doesn't matter what system it is. We got a base attachment on any penetration. So then we would clean it with our GAF TPO cleaner, right? Make sure that flashes off. Then what do we need, Dave?
We need primer.
Primer, or GAF primer.
Right.
Which you have stirred up already.
Yeah.
And you really put this lid back on good.
Perfect. Look at that. Nice job.
Okay, so we're going to prime it now. Do I want to prime exactly the width of this?
No. We want everybody to see that it's been primed.
And I'm usually messing with a brush, so that should not be a problem.
You only have to dip up to the top of the bristles.
Do I need to prime this pipe?
No, not really, but it would be nice if you primed up at the top.
You get a little more on there.
Is that wide enough?
I believe so.
Well, you got it thick enough.
Okay, so now we gotta let this flash off.
Right.
Dry, if you will.
You know this is 40 degrees and rising.
Not 20 degrees and rising?
Not 20.
40 rising.
That's right.
But that means 40 when you're, not 40 at noon.
No, it means 40 with everything.
When you're starting work at whatever time it is.
Right.
Yeah. Okay, Dave, so our primer's flashed off, so now we'll peel this and stick it. Now, when this is installed, after it's all done, what do we gotta have at the top of this and behind it?
We have to have water block.
Water block or our Flex Seal. Then the clamp, then the all-purpose goes on top.
Right.
Water block always gets buried, right? So it's pretty simple. And you want this to fit tight.
Right. Main thing is don't cut above that band there.
Because you want that to engage that clamp once you put the clamp
Exactly.
on. Yep. Get it down.
You make that look so easy.
It wasn't that easy, trust me. But that's how tight you want these to fit. Make sure it's sitting flat because you don't want any air bubbles or gaps in there.
Right.
Yep. All right, now it's just a matter. There it is right there.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now we just come in and roll it.
There you go. Now, is there any certain way you should roll that?
No, it's all stuck down, so you don't really have to worry about pushing a wrinkle in it like you would with
Unless
heat
you
welding.
put it in the wrong way, you'll know right away if you're gonna get a wrinkle. All right, so now we've got everything peeled on, we got it stuck, we've got it rolled, and we can, on occasion, if you need to, add heat. Let's say if we had a T-joint coming in here. We'd want to maybe take a little heat, put on top. Again, what do we always talk about? Showing the inspector when we're doing any detail work, show the creasing, make sure we got a crease in there. So again, that's an option. You can use actually heat to install this. To get a 20-year warranty out of this detail, what do we need to do with this?
Flex Seal caulk a bead around
the entire boot?
Right.
That's all we need to get a 20-year warranty.
Yeah. And it's already primed, so nothing sticks to TPO without
Unless
primer.
you prime it. That's why you have excess primer.
Exactly.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos at gaf.com/roofingitright.